Hi everyone. Today we are going to do a very basic lead code question, which is to sum. So here we need to give we have an array, integer array nums and integer target value, where we need to return the index value of two numbers in the num array, where these numbers will add up to target value. For example, if we have the nums array equals to 2 7 11 15, then we need to add up to we need to find any two numbers which give the addition up to 9, which is the target value. We find that 2 plus 7 is equals to 9. So we will return the indexes of these two values, which is 0 and 1. So now we will start from a very basic approach, which is a brute force approach, where we will be using two for loops. I will do it now. So here firstly we will take n equals to len of nums, which will give us the length of the nums. Then we will use a for loop. We will use a for loop where I in nums, I in range of nums. Then inside that we will use another for loop where j in range of I plus 1 to n. We can write in place of nums here n, because we have taken the length of the nums as n. Now we will find if. We will take one more variable here. We can take it as difference equals to 0. If we find difference equals to if, we are using if here. So if we find difference equals to nums of I, because here I and j are indexes, nums of I minus nums of j. If nums of I difference equals to nums of I minus nums of j, if we find that, then we will return here I and j, I comma j. Else we will just after that we will just run the loop, and if we find we will here the statement has given that we will find exactly one solution for this. So there will be always one solution, and also one more thing, that one answer will be valid. There will be not returning an empty list or an empty value, means -1, not returning any -1 or 0. So we need to return indexes of two number, which will be add up to target value. So here we have done this, and we will run it. So we have two incorrect cases. We will try to find what is wrong. So here output is null. Why it is null? I to j, I plus 1 to j, and range of I expected is 0 comma 1. What is the problem here? Range difference we have taken equal to I and j. So we are iterating through. I will be 2 and j will be in first iteration I will be 2, then j will be 7. So okay, I'm subtracting. Okay, so we need to add here. Okay, so let's try to resolve it. So difference equals to nums of I and nums of j. What we need to do here is null output is giving null null. So this means we are going into for I in range n and for a j in range this. So we are going into here nums of I and nums of j adding up to difference we are not okay, we need to do the target. Why are we taking difference? Okay, so yeah, we did this wrong. So if we run here, yeah, so we got it. Okay, so this is the brute force approach. So thank you for watching.